Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lori Hill, and on this channel we talk about skincare, beauty, and lifestyle. So if that sounds good to you, then make sure to subscribe. In today's video, we're going to address the biggest skincare lies that I've heard of, and I'm going to knock down these lies lie by lie. Lie number one, if you didn't start using anti-aging products in your 20s, then it's too late. And the truth, it's never too late to address your skincare. Not only is it good for your skin at the present moment, but it also sends a signal to your brain about your self-worth. Now, I personally started really paying attention to my skincare routine in my early 40s. Yeah, you guys, you heard right. Now, up until that point, I was wearing sunscreen and generally staying out of direct roasting sun, but I really wasn't doing a consistent morning and evening skincare routine. Yeah, here and there I would get products that I liked and I used, but it wasn't consistent. And if I missed a day or a week, I didn't really mind. And now at the age of 47, I see the benefits that a good skincare routine gave me. Now, although collagen production slows down as we get older, the right skincare routine that focuses on products that boost and encourage collagen growth can work wonders. Start incorporating retinol, tretinoin, peptides, and vitamin C into your routine now. And on this channel, we're going to talk about how you can do that. Lie number two, moisturizer alone will prevent wrinkles. You guys who started that lie, really? So while hydration is really important, moisturizer alone doesn't stop aging. You need active ingredients like retinoids to stimulate cell turnover, SPF, very important to prevent sun damage, and exfoliation to keep the skin fresh. Now, I know there's debate over exfoliation with lots of people preferring to be more gentle on their skin, but for me, I've noticed the best product integration into my skin with weekly exfoliation. And going back to the moisturizer myth, a thick cream alone won't stop fine lines and wrinkles. Lie number three, expensive products are better. Now, here's the truth. Many drugstore products do contain active ingredients that expensive products contain. Look for these key ingredients: niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and ceramides. Instead of getting caught up in the fancy packaging and marketing, yes, there are luxury products that do great work on our skin, but the luxury name alone or being a very expensive price doesn't guarantee effectiveness. Lie number four, natural and DIY skincare is always better. Now, the truth, not everything in the kitchen belongs on your face. Lemon juice, too acidic. Honey, way too hard to work with and gets everything sticky. Coconut oil, it can be pore clogging. Baking soda, a skin barrier killer. Instead, use dermatologist-backed and science-approved that are formulated and that are safe and effective. Lie number five, oily skin doesn't need moisturizer. Okay, as a person with dry skin, I always need my moisturizer, but I've heard this lie over and over that oily skin somehow doesn't need moisturizer. If you skip moisturizer, your skin is going to overcompensate by producing more oil, making breakouts like way worse. Instead, you're going to want to use a lightweight, gel-based, or oil-free cleanser to keep your skin balanced and hydrated. Lie number six, once you get wrinkles, there's no fixing them. Now, the truth, while deep wrinkles cannot be 100% erased, you can still improve the texture and plump your skin with ingredients like retinol, hyaluronic acid, and certain peptides. Even some professional treatments can help, like laser therapy. Lie number seven is my favorite. SPF is only for sunny days. Now, here's the truth. The sun is aging our skin every day, whether it be from direct sun exposure or the sun that comes in through your car window. You are receiving some of the effects of photoaging. UVA rays, which cause wrinkles, penetrate through the car window glass and other glass in your home. A daily broad spectrum SPF of 30 or higher is the number one anti-aging product you need. As I said earlier, although I didn't really take skincare seriously seriously until my early 40s, I did always take sunscreen pretty seriously. Although I wasn't very good at reapplying it every 2 hours, sometimes it was more like 3 or 4 hours, I still practiced sun avoidance and overall good sunscreen maintenance. Of all my anti-aging tips, this one literally is the top one I want to leave you with. Now down below, I've linked some products that correspond with this list of lies and truth. Now, what skincare are you using and when did you start your skincare routines? Let me know if you were a late starter like myself or were you one of those early birds. I remember going to Paris on my honeymoon and I walked into a drugstore looking for some under eye cream, and this girl, she couldn't have been more than like 17 or 18 at the time, said, "What do you need it for? Is it for your wrinkles?" And I was thinking, great. That made me feel bad. But you know, in France, I heard that your average teenager already has a great skincare routine. So don't feel bad if you started your skincare late like me. You can still have amazing results. Oh my gosh, you guys, I finished the video and I was thinking, wait, this is not complete. There is one other lie that really bothers me, and it's this one. Lie number 8, that plastic surgery replaces skincare. I cannot begin to tell you how untrue this lie is. I will admit that at one point I felt that it could be true. Now, what am I talking about? Well, as someone who has had plastic surgery and has documented it on this very channel, go look at my playlist for all of my plastic surgery procedures. Well, I had a facelift in my early 40s, and in my mind, I felt that the facelift would help my skin quality. Yes, I heard that it doesn't, but I still felt like pulling the skin tight would somehow help my skin look more youthful, when in all actuality, it did none of that. I felt very much like I was starting at the very beginning after my facelift, because it really highlighted how much skincare I had been missing out on. My skin was pretty much dull and lifeless. I didn't practice a good morning routine, and I didn't use tretinoin or retinols on a regular basis. I really had to start at the very beginning and understand my own skin type and what would make it look the best. So although many people get plastic surgery, they get things done to their eyes. I myself had a blepharoplasty. They get lasers. I have only had one laser treatment, and it was a few years ago, and it was not a CO2 laser. And they get other things, hoping to look more youthful. While yes, they do look more youthful, right? But the one thing that really communicates youth and well-being and health is usually lackluster in people who don't attend to their skin. So I did want to dispel this lie that plastic surgery helps your skin quality. It really doesn't. And I will share with you everything I went through in trying to find a good skin routine and all of my skin issues and things that I was able to address through properly attending to my skincare needs. So there you go. There's the real honest truth. Plastic surgery does not help skin quality. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.
Bye.